Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we would like to discuss explanation text. Okay guys, let me see more about explanation text. What is explanation text? An explanation text gives you information about a subject that you are interested in and would like to know more about. It is usually a text that aims to explain a process. For example, how glass is recycled. Can you think of any other topic you could choose for an explanation text? For example, how what is it? How rainings is happen? Ya, kenapa hujan bisa terjadi? Ya, that's it. This is the example of the topic of explanation text. And the definition about the explanation text and the purpose itself is are. Explanation text is a text which tells a process relating to forming of natural, social, scientific, and cultural phenomena. And then explanation text is to say why and how of the form happen to the phenomena. It is often found in science, geography, and history textbook. We come to the generic structure of explanation text. The first one is general statement or introduction. It means about stating the phenomenon issue which are to be explained. For example, write what is going to be explained. It may include a description, question, or a brief description. Second, the next structure or the second structure is about sequence explanation. Stating a series of steps which explain the phenomena. It means that how something works, what it is used for, what its part does, how the part work together, how to use it, explain why something happens, how and why it start, what happened next, after that, and finally. And then the closing statement or concluding paragraph is about sum up the explanation and talks about its application. You may want to include the interesting comment or a summary or a recommendation about what you have explained. It's okay, based on your own feeling and own understanding about this. So your closing statement is for free. You can choose the interesting comments, a summary, or recommendation. Yeah. Next, we come to the language feature. Language feature is the grammatical feature. For example, if we discuss about rain, so we just talk about the sun and rain. And also in the language feature, we must pay attention to the chronological connection to begin with next, yeah, first, second, and etc. And then also using passive voice pattern. And don't forget to use simple present tense in the explanation text. And using abstract noun, action verb, conjunction of time, noun phrases, adverbial phrases, technical term. And then explanation texts are usually written in the present tense because they are explaining why something happened. To do this, they explain it as if it is happening now. For example, we discuss about tsunami. The term of tsunami comes from the Japanese which means harbor or sea, and wave name Nami. So, a tsunami is a series of waves generated when water in a lake or a sea is rapidly displaced on a massive scale. A tsunami will be generated when the sea floor abruptly deforms and vertically displaces the overlying water. Such large vertical movement of the earth crust can occur at the plate boundaries. Subduction of earthquake are particularly effective in generating tsunami and occur where denser oceanic plates slip under continental plates. As the displaced water mass move under the influence of gravity to regain its equilibrium, it radiates across the ocean like ripples on a pond. Tsunami always bring great damage. Most of the damage is caused by the huge mass of water behind the initial wave front. As the height of the sea keeps rising fast and floods powerfully into the coastal area. This is the example of how to write explanation text. The other explanation, Why tadpoles change? Frogs are amphibians. Amphibians spend part of their life underwater. Young frogs start their life in the water as tadpoles. First, the female frog lays out of eggs, so some will survive from being eaten by fish and other animals. The eggs are small and often laid inside white foam. Next, the eggs hatch into tadpoles. Tadpoles have gills so they can breathe underwater and a strong tail to help them swim. As the tadpoles grow bigger, they start to change because they need to become a frog. Their tail becomes smaller and they begin growing legs. The back legs grow first, followed by the front legs. Tadpoles also start to develop lungs because they have to be ready to breathe on land when they become a frog. Tadpoles may be found in billabongs, lakes, swamps, in puddles after heavy rain. And then the word in the red type is a scientific word. The word in the green type is an action verb. And then the word using the blue type is the sequencing words and causes. Okay, this is the example of explanation text. Next, how to analyze. We must pay attention to the generic participants, tsunami for example. And then passive voice pattern, a tsunami will be generated. The word will be generated is passive voice. And then present tense, tsunami always bring. This is the word bring is the present tense. Using abstract noun, vertical, horizontal, height, this is the abstract one. Using action verb, for example, move, movement, move. Using conjunction of time, for example, when. Using noun phrase, rapidly displaced. Using adverbial phrase, lake or sea is rapidly displaced on a massive scale. And then the last technical term, for example, wave, gravity, and equilibrium. And the structure. An explanation text usually starts with a statement that introduces the subject or topic to the reader, such as lots of animals like hedgehogs, badgers, and mice hibernate during winter. What next? You can discuss more about the the topic about the animal. Next, there comes a series of steps that explain how things happen on the reason why, such as this is because it gets much colder and darker during the winter months. When it gets colder, food like berries and insects become harder to find. Therefore, some animals find a safe place to sleep and store energy until the plants start to grow again, and food is more plentiful. These steps continue until the question has been answered or the explanation is complete. Yeah, this is the example of the structure. How about the connective or conjunction? Explanation text usually words called connective that explain things in order, one after another. So, some of the connective you might find is firstly, next, then after that, meanwhile, eventually, later, and finally. Other connective explain how things work or why things happen, such as because, so, this, means. Diagram and picture. Explanation text often include diagram, picture, or charts to help you understand. Diagram and charts always have a title, and picture will always have a caption underneath. And then, for example, animals like this badger hibernate during the winter. Make sure that your caption explains exactly what is going on to help the understand what it states there. Okay. Writing an explanation text. The first part that you must do is the title. Title that should use words like how or why will help readers to understand what the text is about and make them want to find out more. For example, why do animals sleep through the winter? Paragraph. Second, paragraph. You need to write in a paragraph to break up your text and make sure it follows a sequence. Use connective like firstly and so to put in the right order. The third, style. Use a question or a statement as your title. Keep this in mind so you stick to the point. Use the rest of your writing to make points that help to answer your question or support your statement. And then the fourth, interesting fact. Throw in a few interesting facts to make your writing comes alive and keep your reader interested. And then the last one is reread. Reread your explanation text when you have finished. Make sure answer your question statement. The similarities and differences between explanation and procedure. The similarities: using chronological connection, using passive voice, using simple present tense, and have the answer of two questions, why and how. And then the last, explain about the process. This is the similarities between explanation and procedure text. The differences about explanation and procedure text in general. Explanation, the text will be specifically explained, yeah. Not all the material can be used, usually explain about the phenomena, but in the procedure text, it needs sequential chronology. Example, the way home you go to campus, making a food, and etc. And then the last, it's more general. The similarities and differences of explanation text and report text. Explain about the result of observation, research, and study. Explanation text more to process about something that happened of it existed and its form. How volcano explode. But report text explain about the circumstance of element that participant have. For example, the volcano has very hot lava which can damage the surrounding environment. So this is the differences between the explanation and report text. And then the similarities. Both of them, if we see a glimpse, already seen the differences. Both of them have in common only on the structure of sentence is used simple present, yeah, always, yeah, simple present tense. The differences between explanation text, descriptive text is about the explain about how the process of something happened and why it happened. Example, raining, tsunami. The generic structure of explanation text are general statement, sequence, explanation, and close atau closing sentence. Describe about something that general like a particular person, place, or thing. Yeah, for example, my dog, my cat, and etc. The generic structure of descriptive text are identification and description. Okay, guys, this is the the overview about explanation, and then the differences between explanation and procedure, and the differences between explanation and report. So you don't feel confused because three of them looks like same, but they have their own characteristic. Okay, guys, thank you for your cooperation today. See you, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.